Now gurus and new she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit that I am reviewing today was sent to me by HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. The unit that I will be rocking is another headband wig, and it is in the hair texture Coily. It is 16 inches long and it's 185 grams in weight, honey. Okay, so I'm just kind of showing you guys all the headbands that I have, and right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. It does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and as I stated, this is a Coily unit. I am going to co-wash this unit before I actually style it, and I'm actually only going to be showing you guys the pineapple style and 1 headband, and that's it. But if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, love bugs, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, y'all. So this unit was sent to me by HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit I am rocking, I'm gonna first use the description card that they sent me, and then we'll get into what I see on the site. So on the description card, it says order number, child. She ain't gonna read all that. She's not gonna do it. But on the product type, it says machine made weft. It says the length is 16 inches slash 185 grams. The texture is Coily 3C24A. Okay, so keep that in mind. The hair color of this unit is natural color, and the cap size is medium. So a lot of the units that I have reviewed from this company have basically been like 3C to 4C or 4A to 4C. I've never gotten a unit that stopped at 4A. So on the site, they do have Coily headband wig, and they got my girl Brittany. They got my girl Brittany on here, honey. Okay, if you just now started watching me, you may not know that Brittany, the Hearts and Cakes 90s, is my girl. Like, she has been my go-to person for years. You know, we all have that go-to wig person. Brittany has been mine. And every time I see him, like, yeah, Brittany. So yeah, Brittany is the person that they have on the site, and she has really been slaying these natural wigs. They also have Miss Naturally Mary, if I'm not mistaken, that's her name. They have her on here as well. So it says hair texture coily, hair length 16 inches. The hair volume is 185 grams. Honey, do with that what you may. And the wig type is machine made whip. So it says beginner friendly, full protective style with no leave out. Protect your edges well. Super natural and convenient with no lace and no glue. Different styles according to your mood. And that is basically all that I see as far as the details and specs on this wig. Like I have told you guys recently that it seems to be a lace shortage. I don't know how long this is gonna last. I've had different people tell me different things. Some companies are saying that it's like gonna last for the rest of this year. Some people just like, girl, I don't know. I don't know how long it's gonna last. So in the time being, you're going to see a lot of headband wigs. You're going to see a lot of U-part wigs. You're going to see a lot of 4x4 lace wigs. You're going to see those type of wigs because right now, honey, that's all they got, girl. So keep that in mind. And when it comes to headband wigs, I love a good headband wig. You can't beat a headband wig, especially when you got stuff to do, people to see, and you know, all that good stuff. So to me, I love a good headband wig. I feel like headband wigs, 4x4s, whatever, all of that good stuff is just mom friendly hair, okay? Because we're always on the go. It's just mom friendly hair. So I'm not mad at the headband wigs. Now this particular unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with just with straps, as well as that little band that we use to adjust the wig. So these wigs all basically come in the same structure. So you can get this wig whether you are small head friendly, medium head friendly, or large head friendly. They all have the same structure when it comes to these types of units. So keep that in mind as well. You don't have to worry about whether your head is going to be too big for it because that little Velcro will allow you to adjust it to however you need it to fit. So yeah. As far as this wig having shed and tangling, honey, one of the things that I love about HerGivenHair is the fact that with their units, I've never, like they wigs just don't tangle like other coily type of units do. So that's like one of my favorite things about this company. You can run your fingers through their hair with no problem. So that is just like a plus for me. As far as shedding, I did get a little bit of shedding. Nothing to write home about. It's nothing like my hair sheds, but it does shed a little bit, and I want you guys to just, you know, put that into your mental Rolodex, honey. But yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't have to do a lint check, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into how I feel about this unit. If you are interested in that, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so when it comes to this wig, obviously I think the most of you guys know, if you watch me, that honey, she's a look for me. Okay, HerGivenHair is just like one of those sites that I just love their units. They're super natural. You can't beat them with a stick. I love their wigs. I never have any complaints when it comes to their units. I just really like their wigs. They're super natural. They're so natural that anytime I wear a HerGivenHair wig, people come to me and they be like, oh my God, your hair is so pretty. What products do you use on it? How do you get to do like this and blah, blah. And anytime that I say that I'm wearing a unit or a wig, they're like, what? Like, that's just how their wigs are. You get what you pay for. That's just like a thing, a motto in life. So I really love their wigs. Their wigs are really nice. I like the weight of them. They feel like your hair. I love everything about HerGivenHair. So yeah, would I recommend this wig, honey? Yes, especially if she's in your budget. I know times are hard these days, honey. Okay, so I get it. But if you can afford it and it's in your budget, I would definitely recommend you guys check out HerGivenHair and just have at least one in your closet. In your closet, girl. I always say closet because my hair is stored in my closet. So you need at least one in your closet. I love their units. I would recommend their units. And yeah, I have no issues with it. Now, as far as products that I used on it, I did use the lock method, okay, which is leave-in conditioner, oil, and curl defining cream. And yeah, I used the leave-in conditioner I used was by Kara's Daughter. I got it from Walmart. And the oil that I used was just some random oil. And the curl defining cream that I used was Aunt Jackie's curl defining cream. So that's what I used on this unit. And honey, she still is just nice and juicy as she want to be. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look for me. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you think. Are you feeling it? Is it a look for you? Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you own any HerGivenHair units and if you love them as much as I do. Let me know down below in the comments. And if you are interested in this particular unit, definitely click that link down below in the description box. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both the IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.